Hello friends, this is Divya Nayak studying in BSc first year Adarsh College, Hingoli. I am presenting today's topic Maclaurin's theorem with the guidance of Hatkar sir. So, Maclaurin is a Scottish mathematician and Maclaurin's theorem is used to find the series of sin x, cos x and so on. Let's see the statement of Maclaurin's theorem. If f of x be a function of x differentiable infinite times, then f of x equals to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 into x plus 1 by 2 factorial f double dash of 0 into x square plus 1 by 3 factorial f triple dash of 0 into x cube plus up to so on. So friends, we now see the proof of Maclaurin's theorem. Let f of x be a function of x in the following form. Let f of x equals to a0 plus a1 into x plus a2 into x square plus a3 into x cube plus a4 into x raised to 4 plus up to so on, and giving it equation number 1, where a, a1, a2, a3 and a4 are the polynomial constant. Now, by successive differentiation, we get the derivative of f of x is f dash of x equals to a1 plus 2 into a2x plus 3 into a3x square plus 4 into a4x cube plus up to so on. Then the derivative of f dash of x is f double dash of x equals to 2 into a2 plus 3 into 2 into a3x plus 4 into 3 into 4x square plus up to so on. Similarly, the derivative of f double dash of x is f triple dash of x equals to 3 into 2 into 1 into a3 plus 4 into 3 into 2 into a4 into x plus up to so on. Now, the nth derivative of x equals to n in bracket n minus 1 another bracket n minus 2 2 into an plus n plus 1 into n second bracket n minus 1 3 into an plus 2 into x . Now, putting x equals to 0 in each term, we get f of 0 equals to a0, f dash of 0 equals to a1, f double dash of 0 equals to 2 factorial a2, that is equals to 1 by 2 factorial f double dash of 0, that is equals to a2. And similarly, f triple dash of 0 equals to 3 factorial into a3 equals to 1 by 3 factorial f triple dash of 0, which is equals to a3. Now, f raised to n of 0 equals to n factorial into an equals to 1 by n factorial f raised to n of 0 equals to an. That is, f of x equals to f of 0 plus x into f dash of 0 plus 1 by 2 factorial f double dash of 0 into x square plus 1 by 3 factorial f triple dash of 0 into x cube plus 1 by n factorial f raised to n of 0 into x raised to n plus up to so on infinity. So, friends, this is the result which is known as Maclaurin's theorem. Thank you.